Hi, my name's Scott Reel, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'd like to talk to you about vegetable gardening. One of the vegetables that my mom found hardest to get into me when I was a kid was lettuce. And there was a reason why. Mom served iceberg lettuce, plain old iceberg lettuce. It doesn't taste like much. It tastes kind of like cardboard. But it wasn't until later in life that I found there are lettuces out there that I don't just like, I love. And growing leaf lettuce in my garden has turned into one of the most rewarding things I do. Let's take a look at a couple of the different lettuces that we have. This is a red leaf lettuce. And right in front of it, we have a green leaf lettuce. These are easy. But the short side is they're also short, and they come out of your garden pretty quickly. Now these plants are young, but eventually they're going to bolt up, and you'll see they'll start to rise and develop a stalk in the middle. That means your lettuce plant is just about past. Keep snapping that bolted out stick, and you will help keep this newer leaf coming for longer. But eventually when they bolt, you're going to have new leaf lettuce. So remember, we've got these planted now, but that probably means it's time to start new seeds so you have a backup crop coming in for when these guys bolt out. Now there's another type of lettuce that I've discovered, and frankly, a lot of the culinary world has discovered, and this is the good old mesclun mix. You can pick this up now in a lot of different garden centers as just that, a mix of lettuces like we have here. And I've got all sorts of different types in here. There's butters, there's radicchio, there's little fern leaf types. It offers a lot of different flavors in your salads. It's real easy to grow. These guys don't bolt as quickly as the leaf types. In fact, many of them are going to go right through season for me. And it's going to make everybody think that you are a real connoisseur when you serve a salad with mesclun mix that you grew in your own garden.